Hi there. If you feel no resistance when you move your mainspring counterclockwise, it probably means it's become detached from the inside of its drum. So let's take a look at what's going on inside of a mainspring. This is from my parts machine. Yours probably won't have the middle piece sticking out of it. It's supposed to be inside, and I don't believe it's supposed to come out. Okay, so inside, here's the mainspring, and you'll notice that it's kind of curved here, bended on itself. And it's supposed to attach to its inner drum thingy. There should be a tab right here. This one's broken. There should be a tab right here. And that tab catches on, I'll do this very carefully because I don't want the whole thing to unwind, a little hole at the very inside of the spring. So you're going to have to reattach that hole to the tab that's on the inside piece. So at this point, you'll need to kind of hold the spring in place and rotate the outer part of the drum until it catches. Be very careful not to let the mainspring completely pop out, because it will pop out and it will be like 20 feet long of a rogue slinky, and it's very hard to get it back in. Also possible, but very difficult. So let's talk about how to repair the mainspring. So you can't really get to it from this side, so we're gonna have to take it out. So to do that, the first thing we want to do is loosen this screw. So you're going to take out that screw. Whoops. Okay, set that aside. And we're going to take out these 4 screws. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this one. Doesn't have to be in that order, but. And as always, before you go taking any pieces out of your machine, make sure that you've taken photos or a video so that you know when putting it back together exactly how it has to sit in the machine. So once those screws are out, you can carefully lift the mainspring assembly out of the machine. The left side of the assembly will still be attached to the innards of the machine, but it should at least give you enough access to fix the spring. If not, you'll have to take that whole assembly completely out. Be careful, because that's probably the most important part of the machine. So I'm going to pop the cover off. And now you can reconnect the mainspring like I showed you before. Pop the cover back on and reassemble. And that should do it.